I complete a course, I just fill in the bar with green. Okay, so then I am keeping track of my financial aid. I am just going to be taking notes in here. Hopefully it doesn't depress me too much. Hi, I'm Joanna Jose Glass from the rock band Glass Spirits. Hi and welcome. I'll start off right away by letting you know that I won't be going over any philosophies or basic mechanics about the bullet journal. There's plenty of videos on the internet and I'll leave a link up here. Instead, this video will talk about specific spreads, which are dedicated pages in the bullet journal that have an intended purpose. Okay, so I'm part of a teacher program, and so I have things that I need to do in that program, and then I have courses to take. And so here's just an example of a progress bar. So when I complete a course, I just fill in the bar with green. Okay, so then I am keeping track of my financial aid. I am just going to be taking notes in here. Hopefully it doesn't depress me too much. All right, so then I have my money goals. I am going to try to keep track periodically what's in my bank account, any kind of credit card debts to look out for, my FICO score, and how much I have in retirement. Okay, now for my braces, I have about more than half of it paid, so I'm pretty happy about that, but I'm just going to go back and fill out as much as I can. This makes me really happy to see that I only have it makes me really happy to see that I only have a few months more to go. All right, so then I have a section for vegan recipes. I think the way I'm going to kind of separate this is I'll have like my staples, my favorite dishes, favorite restaurants when restaurants open up, or maybe places I can get to go, and then places to go grocery shopping. Okay, so I think that's what I'm going to do there. And then here I just want to reflect about veganism and kind of I want to I left myself a note. I'm going to draw a picture of my rabbits because they had really inspired me to start this journey. I'm going to put in the description links to the other videos of the other spreads, or you can watch the long video which has timestamps of the individual spreads. Please share this with anyone considering doing a bullet journal, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps a small channel like ours. Thank you so much. But wait, there's more. Go ahead and click on the video below to hop to the next part or to the related video. Or if you're eager to check out my band Glass Spirits' music, go to the videos here.
There'll be time